Now, see, we are going towards a new topic. The topic is about temperature, but the new thing is what? First, we discuss one word that is called fusion. After that, we will discuss the new topic. What do you mean by fusion? Very simple word. Fusion means process of melting, that is conversion of solid into liquid. That is called fusion. Process of melting, that is conversion of solid state to liquid state, is called fusion. Now see, the important word is latent heat of fusion. What do you mean by latent heat of fusion? The first, fusion that you know, process of melting, heat that you know. But what do you mean by latent? Latent means hidden. Meaning of latent is what? Apparent meaning is hidden. Now see, what do you mean by latent heat of fusion? Suppose, think about that. Suppose you have 1 kilogram of ice. Okay? If you place the ice at room temperature, you know that our room temperature in Ahmedabad is round about 30 to 40, and in summer season more than 40 also, that you know. But inside the room, maybe the temperature is round about 35. Now at this temperature, this 1 kilogram of ice starts to melt. If you insert thermometer into the ice, thermometer shows not 35. 35 degrees Celsius temperature is the room temperature, your atmospheric temperature. But ice, when starts melting, its temperature 0 degrees Celsius. And now please be alert and listen carefully. Think once again that you have 1 kg of ice in the room. Okay? At that time, you insert thermometer into the ice cube. Now thermometer shows what? 0 degrees Celsius. Because 1 kg ice starts to melt, and melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. So at 0 degrees Celsius, ice starts to melt. Thermometer shows 0 degrees Celsius. Now from the surrounding atmosphere, ice cube absorb heat energy and melting process starts, fusion start. Is it okay? So remember one thing, thermometer shows 0 degrees Celsius. Thermometer is inside the ice. Okay? We insert it into the ice by any manner or anyhow. Now from the atmosphere, this ice cube absorb heat energy and it's melt. When it's absorb heat energy, then this heat energy is not recorded by the thermometer. Thermometer still shows 0 degrees Celsius. Again temperature increases inside the room, suppose 35 to 37 room temperature. And ice cube absorb heat energy again and again, and then melting process is going on and on, but thermometer remains at 0 degrees Celsius. Until total 1 kilogram of ice melts. Do you understand this? તમારી પાસે 1 kg ice cube છે. એમાં તમે by any manner or anyhow thermometer અંદર ખોસી દો છો. Thermometer શું બતાવશે? 0 degree Celsius બતાવશે. Because 0 degree Celsius is the melting point of ice. હવે આઈસ ક્યુબ એટમોસ્ફિયરમાંથી, રૂમનું જે એટમોસ્ફિયર છે એ એટમોસ્ફિયરમાંથી હીટને એબ્ઝોર્બ કરશે અને મેલ્ટિંગ ચાલુ રાખશે. એ હીટ એબ્ઝોર્બ કરે છે, પણ એ હીટ થર્મોમીટર નોટ ડાઉન નથી કરતું, બિકોઝ મેલ્ટિંગ પ્રોસેસ ચાલે છે અને મેલ્ટિંગ પ્રોસેસ તો 0 ડિગ્રી ઉપર જ ચાલે, એટલે હીટ એબ્ઝોર્બ થાય છે પણ એ હીટ થર્મોમીટરમાં રેકોર્ડ થતી નથી, એટલે એ હીટને શું કહેવાય? હિડન હીટ, લેટેન્ટ હીટ. And this latent heat is used for fusion. Fusion means process of melting. That's why this is called latent heat of fusion. એ 1 કિલોગ્રામ આઈસને ટોટલ મેલ્ટ થવા માટે જેટલી હીટ એનર્જી જોઈએ, એ હીટ એનર્જી કે જે થર્મોમીટરમાં રેકોર્ડ થતી નથી, એ હીટ એનર્જીને શું કહેવાય? લેટેન્ટ હીટ ઓફ ફ્યુઝન. Is that clear? Now see, what is the definition of latent heat of fusion? Amount of heat energy which is used for melting of 1 kilogram of ice at its melting point and at atmospheric pressure is called latent heat of fusion. Amount of heat energy which is required for melting of 1 kilogram of ice at its melting point, remember melting point remains as it is, and at its atmospheric pressure, this amount of heat energy is known as latent heat of fusion. Is it okay? Latent heat of fusion of ice is 363 kilocalorie per kg. Not in your course, the digit is not in your course, but remember that water have more energy than ice. You have to note down this. Water has more energy than ice. Remember this thing, we will discuss this at the last of this chapter, at the end of this chapter, we will discuss this in some reasons, scientific reasons, and the scientific reasons are also very interesting. Is it okay? Now the same thing is happened. This is latent heat of fusion. You know, fusion means process of melting. Now what about the process of boiling? We will discuss it later. Say this, note down the definitions.